So after putting all the ingredients in, so we need to mix this. This, that's why it was called, I think, Rolex. Oh, hello everyone, most welcome back to watch my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in to my channel. And if you are new on this channel, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Kindly consider to subscribe and enable the notification bell. For my returning subscriber, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for always watching my channel. Once again, my name is Mau, a YouTube content creator from Fortportal. So a nice weekend on the streets of the tourism city. Coming live from Mpanga, yeah, opposite me here, that is Mpanga market. That huge building in the yellow color, it's Mpanga market, a daily market which operates daily. Yeah, so in today's video, I need to show you the famous street food around the streets of Fortportal tourism city. And guess what, today family, I will be making this street food by myself. Yeah, I know how to make this simple recipe. Yeah, I know how to make them. What I remember is that when I was still young, those days we used to be on these streets, yeah, visiting our friends who were working on those streets, selling those street food. Yeah, I know how to make that recipe. So in today's video, for the food lovers, kindly watch this video up to the end. Give it a thumbs up. Yeah, let me know how you feel about my experience in making a simple recipe. Yeah, I will be making a Rolex. Yeah, this is how the street vendors look like. Yeah, we'll be making it from this very area. Well, these are the place. This is how the place looks like. Testing the street food for the very first time. Yeah, these are samosas. Yeah, these are samosas. They look so nice. Well, so family, watch this video. I'll be doing this by myself. Oh, hello family, most welcome back to watch my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Guess what, today it's a nice weekend. I need to try and make a simple recipe here on the streets of the tourism city. As always, you have been watching those videos testing various street foods around the streets of the tourism city for Fortportal. So guess what, today we'll be making it by myself. For the food lovers, you will watch this video up to the end, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, this is an onion, plus eggs. Shall be making washing for a soup. Yeah, after putting our eggs in the cup, this is our onion. Yeah, this is the salt. Yeah, we add. Yeah, for us here we measure it just with ice. Don't have it. And so after putting all the ingredients in, so we need to mix this. There you go. oil, cooking oil, and our cooking oil on our frying pan. So add on our chapati. Yeah, here we roll it like this. That's why it was called the Rolex. Yeah, testing the street food. No, it's not the first time. It's not the first time we are used of this Rolex, and it's the cheapest street food around here, the streets of the tourism city. Yeah, one day when you just don't hesitate from where to get the street food, you can reach here. Yeah.
How is it? Is it yummy?
Yeah, it's really yummy. It's really yummy. Send super thanks as I would. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. You can kindly support me through watching full video. Yeah, joining the membership, you get access to all the videos. Let me know in the comment section your favorite food, your street food in your area. Yeah, wishing you a nice weekend. Thank you so much for keeping Amma one. Bye bye.